All right, next up, Google has a new tool for webmasters, Search Console Insights. So this may sound just like Search Console, but it's not. It's Search Console Insights. The crack staff over at the Google naming department struck again here.
Love those guys.
So you may get a notification via email that you are in this beta. We have some clients that are in this beta and we're going to run through it. But the biggest thing, in my opinion, is that there's more data now included. This new experience is powered by data from both Search Console and Google Analytics, which is like, why are you calling it Search Console Insights when it's your website insights?
They should hire the people who name the nail polish. They do a much better job at naming things.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I was going to say, like, they're good.
What's your go-to polish of choice? I don't have any polishes, but I like specific paint colors.
I don't really paint my nails, but I like OPI, and they'll have like, I don't know, Jess, you paint your nails all the time, but it's always black.
Yeah, it's black. And I just
so there's no fun names for that.
Away. No, there is. I think mine is called like licorice or something.
Oh, I thought it was going to be like hopes and dreams diminished or something.
Maybe it is, and I just read it wrong.
No, mine are just plain, as you can see on YouTube. I'm not into it. But I like reading them when I get like the twice a year pedicure for my disgusting feet. That's fun.
Yeah, that is good. Because then they have all the options, the whole rainbow of names. Like, they're better than Crayola crayons, that's for sure.
Well, Crayola crayons isn't good naming. No, it's paint is the best.
Paint. Oh, paint's good.
Paint's okay, but then you're tempted to like pick the paint color by the name instead of picking a good color, and then you end up with hummus walls.
Do you have hummus walls, Shep?
I do. I have hummus walls in my dining room. They're okay though. The green in my kitchen is jojoba.
What?
I'm just realizing I have a lot of green.
Anyway, we need to get one of those people that picks out the names, the jojobas for the greens, get them on the blower and get them over on the Google team, because there's more to Search Console Insights than just Search Console. So if you want to know and access Search Console Insights, there is not an easy way to get there through Search Console, surprisingly. You want to go look in your email and there's a big blue button in there. You can click on it. You can search for Search Console Insights on Google. And this is what they tell you to do. This is step 2 they tell you to do. Or you can access it from a link. If you go to the search results section within Search Console, go to search results and then look for Search Console Insights. And that's where you're going to get everything. One of the big things you'll tell when you hop in here, and you can see it on screen if you go to YouTube, is that it's really built for mobile. It's not, you can tell it's not a desktop experience. It's not going to be your go-to source, like your terminal, your big dashboard for data. It's quick hits that you can find content that's been shared, the traffic sources you have. It's, y'all are gamers, right?
Mm-hmm. Hardcore.
Yeah, this is more of a Candy Crush than a Call of Duty. Let's say that.
You knocking Candy Crush?
Yeah. I mean, it's yes, compared to Call of Duty. Yes. So one of the things that was the most absurd thing to me is when you log on here, you're like, oh, this is Search Console Insights. Maybe I'll get something good. The top thing that's blue, the top banner, is your all-time page views. It's like, what is this? What am I going to do with this? I can just see that I've got 9 million people all time. What am I going to do with this? There's no insights to this.
Probably makes you feel kind of good. I don't know.
It depends how long it's been.
Well, like every day I'm going to log into this thing, but oh, I'm at 9,011,618 now. Like
that's like how podcast analytics are right now, because they're not really that advanced yet. It's like total listens of all time. Great. Love to see it.
So anyway, there are some really nice visuals. You can see a little time metric charting up and down based off of the percentages. It is a very nice, quick look at what is happening to find your best pieces of content, new pieces, how people are finding content. Check it out.
Like what you saw? Of course you did. If you're looking for more, Marketing O'Clock releases new episodes every Friday with the digital marketing news of the week. You can subscribe wherever you consume your podcasts, or click to watch the full episode, the next news story, or read all the articles from the show.